Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw the yawning emoji. So to start off with this, you want to trace something round. So I'm just going to use this lid right here, and I'm going to put this right in the middle of my paper. Now, to draw this, I want to trace around it. So I'm going to keep my marker straight up and down, and I'm just going to trace right around here. And I'm going to leave just a little bit open on the end here. And the reason I'm going to do this is because the hand is right here. So to start off with this, I'm going to start with the thumb, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and it's just going to go right out of the circle where I left that opening, and then it's just going to kind of curl back like this. Then right here, I'm going to just kind of draw a line that just kind of curls back around for the top of the thumb. Then I'm going to draw a line that just goes up, and it's going to go straight up here, and then it's just going to come down like this. Then I'm going to draw the middle finger. It's going to be longer than the last one, and it's going to do the same thing. It's just going to kind of come down. Then I'm going to make the ring finger next. It's just going to go up. It's going to be shorter and then come down. And then finally, I'm going to make the pinky finger, which is going to be the shortest. It's going to go up. It's going to come down. And then what I want to do is I want to run this right into the hand. Now, next, I want to make a nice little circle shape for the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up to here. And then I'm just going to kind of curl this around to this finger. And then I'm just going to kind of connect it in between all of these. And then I'm going to just go right down to the pinky, and I'm going to end it right there. Now, up here we want to make the eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve like this. And then I'm going to curve around the edge here, and I'm going to just kind of follow that same shape and then connect it with a curve right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Start a little curve and just draw a line that goes down. And then it's going to just curl right back around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the yawning emoji. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.